Let that ear just come down. Go ahead and go face down.
Face down?
Yeah. Drop, come down a little bit. Turn towards me. Bend this knee up. Just turn the other way. Pull this in like that. Face up.